So I'm going to sell my crypto. I am, but not right now. And I wanted to tell you guys exactly what my plan is because we're going into some crazy times in crypto. And I don't think you really understand what's about to happen. So I wanted to tell you exactly what I'm going to do and where I'm going to sell my crypto so you can make that same move, inevitably being correct like I'm going to be. Okay, look, if you've been on Instagram for the last, 5 or 6 years at this point, I've called nearly every single top and bottom live on the IG. And for the most part, we've automated those plays to thousands of people's accounts. Which, by the way, if you want them automated next, the DM script on there. But we've done that live in front of everybody, and we're doing it again right now. I called the bottom, obviously, and that is the bottom, by the way. We're not going to go back lower, but I am more confident than ever that we are heading towards all-time highs. And I think it's really important for people to understand where to sell their crypto, because for the most part, it's the hardest thing that people do in this space is trying to time bottoms and tops. And while you can't do it perfectly, the signs are always there. For example, recently, if you were on Market Mirror, which is on iOS and Android, by the way, you saw the bottom. You saw the whales were buying. You saw the liquidations were sitting to the upside. All of this stuff was pointing towards that being a bottom. That's exactly what it was. And it was so crazy that we bought literally at a fucking dollar, and it went up to $1.70 within a couple days. Yeah, all the signs were there. And when we're at all-time highs, the signs will be there. So I wanted to show you exactly on the charts where I think we're going to end up topping out, so we can look back to it, 6 months to 12 months from now, whenever that is, and I could be like, I told you so. So let's get into this. First off, if we go over to Bitcoin for a second, you'll see, damn, holy shit. If you're on the boot camp, by the way, I drew this out, and look at this motherfucker, bro. Look at this shit, man. It's literally playing out damn near perfect, bro. Yeah, we're continuing to go up on Bitcoin, but I kind of already drew it out in the boot camp. And what's very interesting is I think that we're going to go a little bit higher than 2025, whatever it was when we all-time high. And I think that's where the top's going to be. I think we're going to have a massive blow off top on Bitcoin. And I imagine it's up there in the $130,000 to $140,000 area. I think that is where the top is going to be. Meaning by, 120, 130, you should be looking to, exit some of your positions. Now, could you obviously go a little bit higher? Yes, that's crypto. Obviously, can go whatever the fuck. Literally, it could go way higher, it could go way lower. That's just the game we're playing. But it's also a game of probability. What's the most probable outcome? Are we really just going to gig it, send it, and just keep going up and up and up? We could, you know what I mean? But I'd rather err on the side of caution. And by that point, we're probably sitting in extreme greed and some crazy shit's going down. But I think I will be looking to sell around all-time highs. And I'll tell you why in a second. Okay. But yeah, just real quick on Bitcoin, that's up there in the 130 area. XRP, that's up here like the $3, $4, $5 area. I don't know how high we could go, but I do know that it's going to go crazy towards those all-time highs. And I'd be shocked if we go back to all-time highs and we don't hit 4. You know what I mean? I would be shocked if we don't clear 4. But around that area, I'm looking to sell, right? Maybe not sell all of my XRP bag, but take profits. For example, at the very top, I bought a house. I bought a fucking mansion with XRP. I cashed out, I can't even tell you how many coins. At the very fucking peak, bought a mansion. And obviously you can see what's happened since. It's just gone down. I think that's a great trade. And really, honestly, what I want to do is I want to reverse that trade and buy the whole mansion back on this shit, which I've been trying to do at the very bottom here and just fucking print even more money towards the top. But I think I'll look to do something similar up there. And again, this is no hate to XRP or Bitcoin or anything. I know people say never sell your XRP, never. I'm a trader, right? If you've been on the IG, you've seen it. I trade, I stack, I add to my long-term bags. And I really wish, honestly, it's one of my biggest regrets of this cycle, and one of my biggest faults is not selling more at the top, because I would just have so much more to buy with at the very bottom. And I knew it was the top on Bitcoin. I knew it was the top on Ethereum, but I was so blinded by Donald Trump's, crypto administration that I just let it cloud my judgment. I'll never let it happen again. You know what I mean? So look, I'm still a very big long-term XRP bull, but I'm also not a delusionist. And if it's different, right? This is all, in a way, it kind of leans on Bitcoin, because say in a world where XRP just goes fucking crazy and Bitcoin's lagging behind, then we're talking a different scenario. You know what I mean? Or if Bitcoin's at all-time highs and XRP just stays here, and then, Bitcoin starts crashing, XRP goes up. It all kind of depends. And that's why I'm kind of, not telling you I'm selling everything right here, but I will be on the sell side at all-time highs. And again, don't come for me. I know I'll have people in the comments hating on that shit. It's just me. I love money. I love money clearly more than a lot of people. And I look to make money in these markets, not just bag hold and go through another treacherous 6 months like we've been doing. It's been miserable, bro. It's been really hard to watch this chart because everything in crypto has been down. But that is where I plan on selling. Ethereum, fuck that coin. Not talking about that shit. Solana, I would probably look to sell around 300 to 300. I mean, guys, if you're buying down here, you're in for a 2 to 3 to 4x on a lot of these major coins. Why the fuck wouldn't you sell? Why? Like, if you're gonna try to aim for a 5x or something, that's so unrealistic. Be real with yourself for a second and say, hey, you know, these are really great prices to buy down here. I'm gonna sell up top. You're gonna do better if you do that shit. It's so simple. So yeah, that's the plan. I think you should probably look to sell up there. Yeah, there's a bunch of other coins. It all pretty much follows Bitcoin. But I mean, that's the game plan, guys. It's so fucking simple. It is so incredibly simple. If you want to make money, you buy the lows, you sell the highs. And if you're wondering, damn, I really want XRP to go back down a little bit more so I can buy more. Guys, we're at $1.40 or $1.50. Like, if we go to 340, 350, 360, are you really going to be mad that you bought it at $1.50 versus $1.10 or $1.20? It's not that big of a difference. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of make this video as a warning to put you on alert because I did at the very top. Editor, pull up the fucking clip. Weird. Anyways, by the way, we're at all-time highs. Within the month, most people are going to get absolutely fucking smacked. I mean, I'm telling you right now, the people that are buying up here, where the fuck were they? You know, I sat there and I said, hey, dude, like, this is clearly the top. I don't know why the fuck people would be buying up here. And I'm the same way down here. I don't know why you wouldn't be buying XRP, Bitcoin, some of these coins, because there's so much upside. I mean, even looking at this Bitcoin chart right now, we are going to go to all-time highs. And while that's not a clean 2x from 60K, you're going to make some money. You know what I mean? And I think that, you know, in terms of upside on these coins, XRP, you're going to get the most upside. That's like a 5x from here. Damn near, maybe a little bit less now that we pumped a little bit. But all-time highs is going to be absolute print season, and we are going to go there. So guys, if you want guidance throughout this whole bull market and you do not want to trade, you want us to do it for you, then DM us crypto on IG. Anytime we buy or sell anything on our accounts, it's done in your account and you never have to trade again. And then if you want to see all the data and you don't want to be blind during this bull market, then be on Market Mirror. It's our app on iOS and Android, has all the data there and all the tools that I use to make this money. And it's the same tools that you can do as well. So I love you guys so much. Let me know where you think the top is going to be. Also, let me know where you think in terms of, you know, years, where is the top going to land? Is it going to be this year? Is it going to be next year? And I promised you at the beginning of this video, I'd tell you why I think that we're going to have a top. And I wanted to go over here on Bitcoin just real quick before we end this video. Go look at 2021. We had a massive ramp to all-time highs. We had a massive dump. This is where we just were. This red circle is just literally where we just were. And then you can see what happened after. Literally within 6 months, we were at all-time highs. I believe something like that is coming here soon. And Jesus, man, you saw how bad the dump was after that. I'm not saying that that's going to happen right now because, God, I mean, things could change on a flip of a dime in this space, and we have a lot to be bullish about. And I'm definitely not saying that 2021 is the same as it is right this second. You know, there's a lot of different factors in play. Could it play out the same? Sure. But I'm looking for an exit kind of similar to this. That would be fucking sick. And Jesus Christ, if we can make money the same way we made money in 2021, shorting on the way down, we are going to absolutely print. So guys, love you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Leave a like, subscribe if you want. And as always, buy XRP.